Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Garmin watch to Zwift. To get started, you will need your fully charged Garmin watch, a compatible device like a tablet or computer with Zwift already installed, and a reliable internet connection. Make sure both your watch and the Zwift application are updated to their most recent software versions for optimal performance. This preparation ensures a seamless connection experience for your virtual ride. Now, let us prepare your Garmin watch. Navigate to your watch's main menu, then find and select the Sensors option. Within this menu, choose Add New, then select Broadcast Heart Rate. This action makes your watch discoverable to other devices, allowing Zwift to find its heart rate signal. Ensure your watch is not currently paired with any other fitness equipment. With your Garmin watch broadcasting, open the Zwift application on your computer or tablet. On the main pairing screen, look for the heart rate section and click the search button next to it. Your Garmin watch should appear in the list of available devices within a few moments. Simply click on your watch's name to establish the connection, confirming the successful pairing. Your Garmin watch will primarily broadcast heart rate data to Zwift, enriching your virtual ride with crucial performance metrics. If you encounter any issues and your watch does not appear during the search, first try moving your watch closer to the Zwift device. You might also need to restart both your watch and the Zwift application. Ensure Bluetooth is active on your device running Zwift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.